credit is due. Oh! That was a massive hook set. It was a massive hook set on a little guy. Welcome back, guys. We are here out fishing in a place I have never been. I have passed 1,000 times and I've wanted to fish here. As you can see in the background, got the family unit. Everyone wave. They're special. It's a special day trip out, you know what I'm saying? So there is every kind of fish here, including gar. I'm really hoping to hook into some of those. I brought everything. I have worms, I have chicken, I have shrimp, and yeah, guys, I'm throwing everything out here. Never been here. It's a river, so it's definitely something new for Rich and Fishing. There's Polly in the background walking around like a weirdo. All right, let's get out there and have some fun. I can't tell if that's something nibbling on that line or if it's just the way the river's kind of rolling the sinker, which it shouldn't. It's a flat sinker on there. We're gonna try over in these little pools here and see if I can get a little guy out there. Yeah, never fished here before. It looks fantastic though. Most fish are going to be hanging out in this slack water. Obviously because it's slack. I'm not used to moving water. I'm gonna recast those pretty quickly too. And then there's a couple places we can kind of move down to. Actually the line's grabbing leaves. This water is crystal clear too. I'm not seeing anything. But you know, that doesn't mean much. They're good at hiding. So we gotta be good at catching.
Oh, I got my phone.
Got a crawfish.
Grab
him. Grab him.
He is huge.
He's ugly. Get him. Someone grab him. I don't want to touch him. He looks like
I got on video.
Pinch you?
Yeah, just grab him from the back behind the pinchers.
Paul, you do it.
Grab him right behind his
Paul,
claw.
you do it.
All right.
Dad, you do it. You be
Hold
the man.
that.
You be the man.
He's ugly.
Oh.
Sorry. That's pretty dope.
Wow. Allie said, "Is that a lobster?"
He's like.
That's how they get away.
Yeah.
Well, he's not getting away, bitch. I mean,
booty hole. Don't get
it.
He's still got the worm.
He's got his
He's like, I got it.
He's got his little snacky snack.
I almost. Oh.
Hold on, wait, I want to take a photo.
We need to keep that.
Look at his long
We need
legs.
to keep that. And we can boil one crawfish.
Just a singular.
A singular crawfish. Yeah.
He's dancing.
All right, let me.
Yeah, no, I know.
Allie,
Oh, he almost got me. Bye, buddy.
Try to get
All right, that first spot was a bust.
But Allie
Little
got
guys, yeah. First catch goes to Allie with
got a crawfish.
a little. Oh, I wasn't a little. It was a huge crawfish.
I got a lobster.
So I did get that on camera, which I'm excited about. But we're gonna move to another spot where the water's not moving. So I'm gonna guess that there's gonna be a little bit more fish at. But yeah, we keep on keeping on.
Keep on lobster.
All right, hold him up. There we go. So Allie's too. Wow, he's been beaten up.
Dang. Can I pet him?
Paul, you see that?
Yeah.
All right.
Give him a kiss. No, okay. Don't give him a kiss. That's not.
No, yeah. Definitely ain't no Prince Charming.
Nah, he's kind of not.
Oh, there's another hook.
Can you help?
Yeah.
All right, guys, we're getting bites here.
Hold it.
Yep, you can see right there the bobber's going under. So I have fishing line wrapped around my ear right now as that line is. Got him. Got him. Yep.
Same guy?
No, different.
Oh, he's spinning. He's a ballerina. He's in pretty good form.
Oh, look at that, guys. So they're here. And we got the skunk off. Allie got the skunk off us, so that's good. Oh,
He's
oh, no, I thought he swallowed the hook completely.
He's stupid.
Yeet.
Yeah, he's been stuck.
Well, it was Allie's idea to move, so we kind of got to give credit where credit is due.
Don't let any.
Oh! That was a massive hook set. It was a massive hook set on a little guy.
Probably stuck on a rock too.
Another one? Oh! Oh! He went flying. He was a pretty nice size one too.
Dad.
Oh, another one.
Yum.
All right. We are on the board.
Paul and Dad off the board.
He can actually lip him.
Actually, no, I have to.
Hold him up.
Allie's in the lead.
There we go.
I will
He's pretty too. Look at the color.
He's really small. He looks like a pickle.
Big guy though.
Yeah, he's a.
Hesitate, they'll spawn. Just go grab him. Hesitate, that gives them time to get the spines out.
Whoa, okay.
Send it.
I can't if it's spinning.
Good hook set though.
There you go.
All right, we'll get going. Here, take this. I'm gonna cast it for you. Why does it keep freaking happening? It keeps looping around. Just leave it there for a couple seconds. Guarantee you there's something big under there. All right, let me reel this one in. Something was nibbling at my worms. Lots of little fish today, lots of bluegills, some nice ones. Rex had what, 3? Allie had 4?
No, 3.
3 and
Two fish and a crawfish.
I had 1 bluegill. Polly. Yep, they're big old goose eggs. So this will probably be a very short video. So enjoy, like, subscribe. Miss you guys.